Okay, hello guys, welcome to, I think this is week 5, week 6. I think I missed a week, so this is probably week 6, but we'll just put it as 5 and 6. And this is the development log for my zombie game. That was my Facebook, not yours. You don't actually have any notifications. Haha. Okay, so, changes that we've made. We fixed raycasting now. Well, I fixed raycasting so that it goes from the center of the screen, as opposed to being off all the time and being wrong. AI is now smarter. It uses sight as opposed to just a radius around you. We now have objectives in the game. We have a portal that opens at the last level that's actually going to take you out to, at the minute, the main menu. I've changed the design of the game. What's going to happen is you'll go through the portal after collecting each thing in each zone, and you'll be teleported to a new zone with different types of different zombies, not just zombies, but maybe I'll do maybe I'll build a futuristic level and there's like orbs floating around that you gotta kind of escape from. But basically the idea is that you get one life and you gotta get all 12 objectives in each zone, and then it'll open up a portal to the next zone, and you have to keep going through these portals and keep working your way up and see what the highest level you can get to is. So yeah, we've got I've done a bit of landscaping, so there's trees. I'm not sure if they were there in the last level. A bit more grass. Ammo crates have been added throughout the world, the objectives have been added, so all of the stuff's in there now. An example of an objective. This is probably not going to be a final model, it's just something I threw together just to you get something in the world. Ammo boxes around the place. I have the health cast HUD now properly. I have the health go down when you're hit by zombies. I have the health automatically slowly regen over time. So there's been a lot of work at the back, as well as quite some work on the front, really. So yeah, let's jump into this first of all and preview the AI. Now it's going to be laggy because A, it's not built, B, it's using up most of my RAM because it's been all night and been building stuff, and it's built a cache upon my RAM, so it's pretty laggy. So bear with me. I'm going to work on optimization once I finish this, but yeah, so let's hit play. Come on. Okay, you probably won't be able to hear it because it's, oh no, you can hear it, maybe. I don't know which way it's recording sound from. Anyway, so yeah, as you can see, the AI now randomly walks to a location. This guy's trying to get me, but he can't. So they all randomly walk to a location until they spot me, and you can tell when they spot me because they'll start running. Oh, there's one there. Okay, so my health's going down there. You see that? Went to 72. The 70 was what it went down to. They take me down in chunks of 10, and the 2 was the passive regen. So let's take a look over the edge here. Finish up a couple of these guys. One thing I do want to work on, you can see that my shadow is actually just a pair of floating arms because I am a pair of floating arms. So that'll be fixed, worked on, I'm not too sure, we'll see. I'd like you to be able to look down and see your body, it just seems logical. So yeah, that's the AI with its navigation now turning to face you and trying to run. Otherwise, walking to a random point in the map, when it gets there, it'll find a new random point and walk to that point instead. Okay, I figure I may as well share these with you. If you are watching the development logs, I have put some cheat codes in. Basically, in the game, you will just type them out. It's sort of a cheat code. It's more just for the fun of it. Most of them are inside jokes between myself and some classmates. But if you type YUMP, as in Y-U-M-P, then you can jump really high. And the last one I'll quickly show you is Baller. So again, just type B-A-L-L-E-R. Yeah, so there's the lag. Okay, another thing that we've added is bullet spread when you're not zoomed in. Let me just join the game again and see if I can demonstrate that. Let's join out here and give this a shot. So, anytime today. Oh, I forgot that you can fall through that. Okay, let's try that again. Let's say up here. Okay. Right, so if we aim down the sight, you see that we walk slower and we get the crosshair. If we don't aim down the sight, however, there is some bullet spread. As you can see, there's differences there. It's over a short distance, so it doesn't affect it much. But if you zoom in... Oh, okay, I'm not too sure what happened there. But, yeah, if you zoom in, then you'll notice that you can... Damn, what was I looking for? If you zoom in, there's no bullet spread. It's just a straight line down the middle there. So what have I covered? I've covered AIs, pathfinding, more logical. I've covered bullet spread. I've covered the world a bit, objectives, crates, development plan. I think that's it. I'll show you something that I'm working on today. Just right now, actually, I decided to make this video in the middle of it. Is these blue orbs. Now, when you've collected all 12 objectives, these blue orbs are going to spawn randomly throughout the map and move to the portal, which is up here. And I can cheat and add the objectives while I'm developing this, so just give me a moment. The blue orbs don't spawn yet, but basically the /12 down... I'm trying to point to it, but it's not going to work. The /12 on the lower left-hand side of the screen there, that's your objectives out of 12. And if I just press G, you see it goes up. And when we hit all 12, the portal appears. And you're not going to see it appear because none of the objectives are up here, so you'll be down somewhere else when this appears. So it looks pretty cheesy just spawning in like that, but it'll be okay when it comes to playing. And then going through the portal, at the moment, takes you back out to the menu screen. Somehow with your hands here, I'm going to get rid of those and get rid of this with a play and an exit button. But yeah, that's it. So the portal does that, but the blue orbs are going to like float towards it. So you've collected all 12. You're like, what the hell? There'll be a pop-up text on your screen that says, "Get to the portal," and then the blue orbs will be spawning, and you got to follow the lights to the portal. I'm thinking it's going to be pretty good. So yeah, that's that. I'm not too sure what else to add to this. I'll be mostly looking at packaging, optimization, and last tweaks, bug fixes, pathfinding, blah blah blah, and then I'm going to release this as a demo. The demo will be handed in as my college project. Now, this was done as an assignment for college. And I don't need to make level after level after level. My design document specified one level, so that's what I'm going to develop and hand in. However, I've quite enjoyed doing this project, and I think I would like to refine what I've learned, develop it further, make more levels, and I'm actually working on a website for myself more as a portfolio for university. And on that website, I'll be putting this game for sale for something like 99p. I know it's not. I'm not going to like charge a £5 for it. You know, it's not worth that. It's been fun for me, and if I can make better money off it, I'll go for it, I'll sell it. So yeah, thanks for watching, guys, and I hope you keep up with the log, and I'll update you next week with more developments.